5 movies you can learn English from. Number 1, The Intern. Level A1 to B2. Simple everyday English. Work, relationships, everyday language. The speech is slow, actors talk clearly. Perfect for beginners. Number 2, Friends. Level B1 to B2. Everyday language, phrasal verbs, humor you can easily remember. Number 3, Notting Hill. Level B1 to B2. A romantic comedy with British accent. Perfect for practicing and understanding emotional language. Number 4, The Devil Wears Prada. Level B1 to B2. Dynamic, the real-life language from the world of fashion and work. Many sarcasm, real-life language, and idioms. And number 5, Harry Potter. Level B1 to B2. Good for people who already know the foundation of English. You will listen to British accent and add magical and academic phrases to your English.